Now, hello everyone. Today discuss types of hydraulic jump. First one, flood number is less than 1. Then the major equation will be written as y1 upon y0 is equal to square root of 1 plus 8 of r square minus 1 by 2. Theoretically, this would be a negative hydraulic structure, that is the fluid depth will be decreases. Only physically possible if some external force accelerates the fluid at that point. Now, when flood number vary from 1 to 1.7, that is undular jump, characterized by slight undulation, two conjugate depths are slope, two conjugate depths are close, transition is not abrupt, slightly ruffled water surface, that is surface undulation. Next one is weak jump. For flood number 1.7 to 2.5, that is 1.7 less than flood number 1 less than 2.5. Now, characterized by eddies and rollers are found on the surface. Energy loss is small. The ratio of final depth to initial depth is between 2. Now, oscillating jump rod number varies from 2.5 to 4.5, characterized by jet oscillate from top to bottom, generating surface waves that persist beyond the end of the jump. Ratio of final depth to initial depth is between 3.1 to 5. To prevent destructive effects, this type of jump should be avoided, that is oscillating jump. Next one is the steady jump. Front number 4.5 to 9, characterized by position of jump fixed regardless of downstream conditions, good dissipation of energy, effort type of jump, considerable rise in downstream water level. Ratio of final to initial depth is between 5.9 to 12. In this case, energy loss will be 60 to 70% will be formed. Because of step by step, first one is the undular jump. The initial depth will be high, and step by step the initial water depth will be decreases. That means energy dissipation considered in a steady jump. Now, a strong or rough jump, flood number greater than 9, characterized by ratio of final to initial depth is over 12 and may exceed 20. Ability of jump to dissipate energy is massive. Jump becomes increasingly rough. Flood number 1 should not be allowed to exceed 12. In this case, maximum energy will be dissipated. Approx 90% energy dissipates. Because in this case, Fraud number is high, greater than 9. But to know that fraud number is equal to Vy under root Gy. That means fraud number is greater than 1 and flow and jump will be known as a strong jump or rough jump. Now, analysis of hydraulic jump assumptions. In the analysis of hydraulic jumps, the following assumptions are made. First one is the length of hydraulic jump is small. Consequently, the loss of head due to friction is negligible. The flow is uniform and pressure distribution is due to hydrostatic before and after the jump. The slope of the bed of the channel is very small, so that the component of the weight of the fluid in the direction of flow is neglected. Now, here shows that a specific energy curve and a specific force curve. A specific energy curve, the lowest point of curve or origin of curve, corresponding depth is known as critical depth, and below the critical depth, the depth will be known as supercritical flow depth, and above the critical depth, the depth is known as subcritical depth. That means point C is the reference point, and below the C, supercritical flow region will be considered, and above the C, subcritical flow region will be considered. That means C is the reference point. Similarly, E1 and E2 classified and change in energy delta E. Now, a specific force curve. Similarly, origin of curve, corresponding depth is DC, and below the depth D1 and above the depth D2. At a particular specific force, the curve cut will be at 2 points, and both depth is known as conjugate depth and sequent depth. So please remember, in a specific force, two depths is known as before the jump, after the jump. The depth is known as conjugate depth or sequent depth. But a specific energy curve, those two depths are known as alternate depth. Basic difference between a specific energy curve and a specific force curve is here. In the case of a specific energy curve, both depth is known as alternate depth at which a specific energy will be same. Similarly, a specific force, both depth is known as sequent depth or conjugate depth, where a specific force will be same. Okay, thank you.